During summer, our sheep roam free. And then in September, right before winter, they are gathered back. And since all the sheep are mixed, we have Rettir to sort them. So it's a massive sheep sorting event. They are all put in the middle, and then you just have to go and find your sheep. And obviously it's a lot of fun. It's fun because you meet your sheep again, and you meet everyone from the community, and your friends and family come help. So it's really like a big family and friends gathering thing. You catch her, but you have to be kind and nice, and don't scare her or be like too aggressive. That should never be a thing. And then you just grab her by the horns, make sure you hold it close to the head, otherwise you could break it if you put too much force on it. And then you just walk her into your pen. And then once the sorting is over, we all go home, have a meal together, and just chat and sing for the day. It's a great day.
Well, my family's been on that farm for 8 generations, I think. So I'm just born into it.
You're very connected to the land that you own, but in reality, you keep it for a generation, and then you're gone. The land goes on. So we're just like guarding it for now, I guess you could say that. I could not live without sheep, I think. It would be very boring. I think it often surprises people how nice they are, how friendly they are, and how they do enjoy human interaction, because people usually just see them running around the fields or jumping in front of the car, but when they see the individual, I think they're like, oh yeah, they're nice, they're funny.
Hæ? Hvað segirðu? Hæ, vinur.
They have very different personalities.
Hæ, gott að sjá þig.
There's one that was always jumping over the fences in the sheep house. Some of them love hugs and pets, and some of them just want to say hello and then they are off. Some are very demanding, like Sunna, my deaf sheep. She will scratch you until you give her all the pet she wants, and she will not leave you alone until you do. And then you have another one who's called Lava, and she will want a few pets, and then she will headbutt you. I think the sheep, they really trust us. They are used to being handled well, and they're used to having humans be nice to them. So I think there's a lot of trust there, and I really care about them.